Hi, welcome to Glider Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Gemgala not loading. Now, the first thing you have to do is to make sure you have a good network, so you can switch from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi or from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. You can as well turn on your airplane for like 10 to 15 minutes and turn it off. It will help stop every bug or glitches in the app. You can also go to your phone settings by clicking on your Gemgala. Click steadily on the app. You're going to see the option called App Info, so click on it. What you have to do here is to clear your cache. So you click on the clear cache to clear your cache. You can also clear your storage, but have in mind that if you clear your storage, you have to re-log into the app. The next thing you have to do is to click on the first stop option here. The first stop option helps to stop every misbehavior in Gemgala app. So when you do that, it will help reduce every misbehavior in the app. The next thing to do is to restart your phone by clicking steadily on the power button. Click on the restart option and restart your phone. The next thing you can do after doing this, if you still have this issue, is to go to the app from your home stream. Click on uninstall option and uninstall it on your device. I believe with this you'll be able to fix this issue. If this video is helpful, please do well to follow Glider Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.